Hi there, folks. Elaine here with WTI. Are you ready for summer? Well, I am ready in my green plum blossom jumpsuit in size medium. I'm a 5'5", and this fit me perfect. I love the detail of the tie in the back that sets it apart from other jumpsuits. And you can dress this up and wear it to a wedding or to a dinner cruise. It is so beautiful. We Love Fashion has made such a great quality product. I do love the silkiness of it, and I love that it keeps you cool in the summer, and you can even wear a jacket and be just fine. It has a super stretchy middle, which is very forgiving, and lovely deep pockets because I carry so many things in my pockets. And I love the colors that you can match with so many different types of shoes. You will love this. It's going to be your summer piece that you're going to go to all the time. I'm ready for summer with this beautiful, gorgeous floral jumper. I love it. I highly recommend it. And that's just my point of view.